think you know the Toyota RAV4? Think again. Forget everything you thought you knew about America's best-selling SUV, because the 2026 RAV4 isn't just an update, it's a revolution, a complete reimagining that will change how you view everyday adventures. We're talking about a vehicle that's been totally redesigned, pushing boundaries and setting new standards. This isn't just about getting from A to B, it's about making every journey an experience. Prepare to be captivated by a bold new exterior that fuses rugged capability with sleek, modern design cues, drawing inspiration from Toyota's latest concepts. The 2026 RAV4 is stepping into a new era, with an all-hybrid lineup, featuring both standard hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains, offering up to an impressive 320 horsepower in the GR Sport PHEV and an estimated 50 miles of all-electric range for the plug-in hybrid. Imagine effortlessly gliding through city streets on electric power, then seamlessly transitioning to a potent hybrid system for those longer road trips. This versatility is a game-changer. And yes, a sporty GR Sport model is joining the family, delivering a driving experience tuned by Toyota Gazoo Racing, promising enhanced handling and aggressive styling. For those who crave off-road prowess, the Woodland trim returns. Now with increased ground clearance and all-terrain tires, ready to tackle your next wilderness escape, but the transformation doesn't stop there. Step inside and you'll find an interior that's not just comfortable, but incredibly intuitive and technologically advanced. Get ready for a standard 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a larger 10.5-inch or even an available 12.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Toyota's new Arene software. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, keeping you connected without the clutter. Physical buttons are still present for crucial controls like climate and volume, a thoughtful nod to usability. Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 debuts here, offering a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features to keep you and your passengers secure. Plus, you'll find practical features like a redesigned center console with smart storage solutions and an increased cargo capacity. This isn't just a car, it's a mobile command center designed for your life. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 is expected to launch late 2025 with an estimated starting price around $33,000. Get ready to redefine your drive. This information is based on current speculation and official announcements from Toyota.